Hi everyone, welcome back to Paisa, Bolta. Today it's me and Kesav again. I do hope you guys find these videos informative and entertaining. I know we don't speak much Hindi in this channel. Especially when me and Kesav are around, there's no Hindi at all. So please do bear with us. I know it's rather upsetting to some of you that we claim to be a Hindi channel and we're constantly talking English on this channel. I thought Kesav today wanted to enlighten us on methods of growing your wealth passively.
Sir, not to enlighten you guys all, but I came to enlighten myself, sir, to know how to get a.
What is passive income? Kesav?
So passive income is something. It's like a secondary thing, sir. Passive income is without doing anything, money is coming to us. That is called passive income, like investment, sir.
So active income, what do you do?
The daily work, sir. I'm doing. It's
So
called
passive income is where you invest, you put your money there, and the money grows by itself.
yeah, sir. That is called passive income.
So what is one of the best passive income ideas?
Investment, sir. Investment is the best thing to do when we want a passive income.
Yeah, but my issue is when you say you want passive income, you want it to be additional income to your monthly income, correct?
Yeah, sir.
It's not really passive income. If I say, Kesav, you invest and wait for 10 years, wait for 20 years, after that, money will come. Then it's not passive anymore, is it?
Yeah, sir. How can it be passive?
That's what I'm telling you, man. I'm asking you.
Yeah, sir. It is not a passive money. The money.
So, whatever money we're investing should give you some kind of income. Stipend your income. Stipend means give some additional input to your monthly expenses. That is what we should consider as passive income.
Okay, sir.
Am I right or wrong? Because if you say you invest, keep on investing, and you wait for a long period of time, after that you'll get returns. Most of us in your generation feel very upset saying that's not passive income.
Yeah, sir.
Passive income is something that's feeding me. It's giving more food to me now.
Instant.
All these ideas they're giving are your old ideas.
Yeah, sir.
And you guys always clickbait us into saying passive income. There's nothing passive about this. I do work, active work I'm doing. And later on I'm getting money. So what the hell?
There is no use of it.
Yeah,
So,
you guys are just crapping to us. This is how you guys feel. Am I right or wrong?
yeah, sir. In our generation, we feel like that because we need something to do done with instant.
Correct. This is what leads to trading, the trading mentality.
Yeah, sir. Future and options.
Future and options is one. People who are scared of future and options do also share trading. They buy a share, like what this IDFC is happening.
Yeah, sir.
What's happening in IDFC?
Yeah, sir. The IDFC and IDFC First Bank are going to merge.
Correct. So that's an opportunity, arbitrage opportunity.
Yeah, sir.
So you buy the share price is going to go up in 3 months' time after the merger, and then you sell it and you make a profit.
Yeah, sir.
Correct. That's like trading.
Yeah, sir.
So your generation is interested. They consider that to be more passive.
Yeah, sir. In our generation, most of them who are investing, I know some people who are doing investments in my age or elder than me. Some people do like this, sir. Adani stock, sir. Before some months before, Adani stocks made a huge profit, sir. On that time, the people I know invested on Adani stocks when they came down. In 2 to 3 days, they got a huge profit, sir. They just traded the stock.
Dump the stock.
They got
Sold
a huge
it off.
profit, sir.
Yeah.
Seeing that,
You feel like, why am I not doing this?
yeah, sir, it's a simple short term, very short term investment. That looks like a very short term profit, sir.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah. The problem with it is you do not know what you're doing.
True, sir. Something I'm seeing, I'm just
Yeah. It's like
putting
me
my
saying, I see tomatoes now selling for 150 rupees. Right? Doesn't mean I'll go plant some tomato plants in my garden and say, okay, I can make a killing. I just grow a couple of 100 tomatoes in my farm and start selling it because 150 doesn't work like that. There's more involved in it. That's what people like, generation don't realize. Because you cannot catch a falling knife. Anand will always tell you this.
that will.
Yeah, as you do not know how the market is going to turn, when it's going to turn. A lot of people lost money in Reliance like that. If you're a trader, you have to be ready to lose the money. You should be able to ready to lose 50% of all your money which you're trading. I know lots of people who lost crores of money in Reliance.
Okay.
They bought into Anand Ambani's company thinking somehow it will turn around, somehow it will be rescued. And the rescue never came, and that's it. Gone. Kingfisher, gone. But those stories don't make the news.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, you'll never catch any of your friends who are doing this kind of trades, who made money, will never tell you where all he lost money. Because then he looks like an idiot, no?
Yeah, sir.
He only looks like a hero when he says, I made 10,000 rupees on Adani share. You're like, oh man, how did you do that?
Yeah, sir.
But then they tell you the 20,000 rupees he lost in another 20 shares.
No, sir. All the time people used to say is, I just invest 5,000, I took 11,000. Like that only. They didn't say anything about the loss.
Yeah, so you should always invest and play with what you do know. If you don't know a business, you will not do it. You only do a business, you do know.
Okay.
Correct? So that's the main problem with trading. If you know what you're doing, these companies which are trading, how it's going in the stock market, sure, what you say is true. You can make passive income. You can trade on future options. You can trade with shares buying and selling.
If we know that.
If you know what's happening.
Okay.
If you follow the news and you know about these companies and how these prices are fluctuating and understand the market dynamics, you can make. You'll also lose. But overall, maybe you can make 3-4% profit.
Okay. But without understanding anything, we can't
You'll only make loss.
Okay.
That's why I tell you not to do it. So if you remove trading and everything off the bed, then what is there is for passive income?
Sir, but if we view like this, if we made a profit of doing trading 3 to 4 times, it becomes an addiction, sir.
Yeah.
If we lose, let's say I make a profit of rupees 40,000, then I invest 20,000 to make more profit of around 60,000. But I lost the 20,000. My mind says, don't stop. Put that remaining 20,000 and see what happens. Then I take loan. Then I put.
That's what you're doing is called gambling.
Yeah, sir. That becomes addiction. Most of us are in that, sir. That phase.
Yeah. And that's what you read in news stories, no? Someone takes their life.
Yeah, sir.
Because he's taken such a huge loan, he can't deal with it anymore. The pressure is on him. He's lost all that money. He doesn't know how he can repay that money. He's finished.
Yes, sir. Then how we have to say them? No, trading is not a bad thing to do, but how we have to say
if you know
ourselves.
what you're doing, it's never a bad thing to do. The problem is most people don't know what they're doing. They see all these videos, they see all this news of guys who made a quick buck.
Yeah, sir.
I made a deal and then I made 1,000 crores or some crap like that. They read some headline news and they think, okay, I can also do this. They read about how this famous Junjunwala, he started with just 20 rupees. Warren Buffett who started with $2. Like that, they'll read one story and how he made $5 billion. You think you can also flip, just keep on flipping?
In the people I know, in their side, that trading is not something you want to know before doing that. It's just a game of luck. Just put and wait for the time, and just it will grow more. Like this, they're just playing with it, sir.
Correct. But that's not passive income.
Okay.
That's just gambling. That's why I'm against saying that is not passive income.
Okay.
When we say or talk about passive income ideas, it has to be an idea that something you set up.
Okay.
And it keeps contributing towards your monthly income.
Yeah, sir. You already told me an example that if you have a YouTube channel, you post a video, even after the 10 years, it will give the income.
Correct. So let's say now you like trading. You think you want to make money in trading, but you know nothing about trading. The next best thing, you know what it is to do? Is to talk about trading.
Okay. To know some.
That can become a source of passive income. There are so many traders. This is what the famous story about Levi's I've told you about.
Okay.
These two brothers who came to California during the gold rush. Right? They saw everyone coming to California because the news spread across America back then that in California there's lots of gold. If you go mining, dig in the mountains, you'll find lots of gold. So lots of people came there trying to find gold. So these two brothers decided, instead of wasting time looking for the gold, we will do business of selling material. All these guys who are digging for gold need clothes.
Okay.
Need all this shovel and all this for gold digging. So we'll sell the materials to them.
Okay. Then
doing that, they made profit in that business. That business never goes away. You may find gold or not find gold. You may make money in trading or not making money in trading. But helping people do trading, you can always make money because there are always enough people to come. Trading never stops.
Yeah,
If a fresh lot of guys lose the money and they go away, next
a new
lot
set
of
of
fresh
people waiting
yes,
for-
come for Bali. Correct.
Yeah, sir.
So you can think of setting up a business, something passively, which talks about trading.
Okay.
Where that's what majority of these YouTube guys you will see who will be sitting and talking about trading. They actually, none of them will show their portfolio on the screen.
Okay.
And most of them are not trading.
They're just making money out of
Talking about
that.
it.
Okay.
Why are the original guys are the ones who are in all your CNBC and all those channels, talking heads. Most of them never invest. They'll just sit there and they'll just talk. They get paid.
Understood, sir.
So think of everything like that. Even this Bitcoin. You are attracted to Bitcoin. You think Bitcoin you can make money. Don't do the Bitcoin. That is where you can lose the money.
Just talk about that.
You talk about Bitcoin. Write a book about Bitcoin.
Understood.
If that's your interest. So same way to set up passive. So your full-time job is doing this. You come to the studio, you're recording all this. Let's say you're interested in doing music.
Okay.
Sit and create music on the side and sell it. Like how people sell photographs nowadays. You've seen so many sites where you can sell music. Right? Sell it.
Understood, sir.
If you're interested in photography, you can sell it. That is something that gives you passive income. Something which you know about, something you understand, you build on that.
Okay.
That can be a passive income.
Without knowing anything.
Without knowing something and trying to doing it,
That is
will
not a
not lead to passive income. That will only lead to frustration and depression.
Okay. Understood, sir.
Understood?
Yeah, sir.
And then you take your passive income and you invest that. That is investing.
Okay.
That is, you can take and put in passive, invest into a share, Nifty index or whatever, and that can grow.
Okay, sir.
That's why I always say, best thing to do is start a YouTube channel. Everyone wonders, there's too many channels, there are too many channels. Yes, there are too many channels. But if you have something interesting to talk about,
People will look at it.
yeah, there will be always an audience for you.
Understood, sir.
Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Another great ways of making passive income is, is selling diaries on Amazon.
Okay.
Did you know that?
No, sir.
So what you do is, you just design the cover of the diary and you sell it on Amazon and it's printed on order. So someone places an order, then your diary is printed and supplied and you can make money off that.
First time I'm hearing about
The
this.
first time I'm hearing about it.
Yeah, sir.
It's very interesting. Now you're very alert, is it?
Now my designer mind pops
Yes,
up, sir.
pops up.
To
So
design
it's
something.
one of the easiest ways to make money. Selling on Amazon.
Understood, sir.
So if now you have Chat GPT, right? You have a little bit of imagination. In case if you have so many stories in your head, sit with
So I
Chat GPT, write a few books, put ebooks on Amazon. It sells.
Okay.
I know it sounds crazy, Kesav. All ideas always sound crazy till you try it. And the reason why most people do not have a passive income is because they lack two things. One is consistency, which is to keep on doing it till it's done.
Okay.
The other is self-belief, saying that I am good enough to do it.
They're just scared of doing it.
Yeah, like how you think you're not good enough. 99% of humanity is like that. They just think they're not good enough. Like Karthik thinks he's not good enough. The other reason it doesn't happen is because you're not consistent. You talk about it, you sit in front of it, we talk for half an hour. Tomorrow I ask you to do anything about it, you'll be like, The reason why Anand is successful, the difference between you and Anand is he's consistent.
Okay.
He keeps on doing it non-stop, every day, video after video. He's out there doing it. He's talking about it. He's reading. All the time Anand has a book with him. He's reading.
Yeah, sir. I understood, sir.
You understood?
Yeah, sir.
Chalo. Let's see. What passive ideas Kesav implements? We shall review after a month and see with Kesav on the same channel. We'll ask him, what ideas did you research, Kesav, passively? What have you thought of and what have you executed?
Yeah, and you guys also post your ideas of what you are going to do to get a passive income in the comment section below.
Great. Thank you for watching the video today on Paisa Bolta Hai. Anand will be back on the channel tomorrow to give you more interesting information about investing and the stock market. And if you do find this content interesting, please do turn on the bell notification icon and subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for joining us on Paisa Bolta.
Thank you.